What you're going to need to make the HVAC Audi button set is a pair of pliers, some super glue, the outer button set and the inner button set. First of all, you need to take the parts off the sprue. If there's any excess, just trim that off too. The parts will only go together one way. You need to line up the tab here with the notch. After checking the fit, apply a bit of super glue. And then pop them back together again. Once you've got your old buttons out, it's just a case of putting the new ones in. You just need to make sure that the left notch goes on the minus button, and on the plus button the notch goes to the right. And there you have it, a new set of Audi HVAC buttons.